Hi guys, good day, it's me, Teacher MJ. Our topic for today class is we're going to plot the following points using a number line. So without further ado, let's do this topic. So let's start with example number 1. Once again class, this will be our number line. Center part is 0, and then going to the right, those are positive numbers. We have positive 1, positive 2, positive 3, 4, 5, and so on. Left of 0, those are negative numbers. We have negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, and so on. So let's start with number 1. Point A is equal to negative 5. Once again, class, A is equal to negative 5. Where is negative 5, class? That's correct. Negative 5 is here. Okay, 0, we have negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5. So this is negative 5. And then we label that one as letter A. Okay, so this is letter A. That's it, class. That's the answer with regards to example number 1. Easy, right? So number 2, we have positive 8. So B is equals to positive 8. So positive 8, we have 0, positive 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this will be B. So you plot the point. You put a point for positive 8. And this will be letter B. That's it, class. That's the answer with regards to example number 2. Easy, right? Alright, so number 3, C is equals to negative 3. So we have 0, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. So therefore, this is C. So put a point, and this will be letter C. Alright, and then number 4, D is equals to negative 9. So we have 0, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, negative 6, negative 7, negative 8, negative 9. This one right here. Okay, so this is negative 9, and this will be letter D. Alright, and then number 5, we have E is equals to negative 1. So E is equals to negative 1. This is 0, this is negative 1. So this will be E, negative 1. You put a point on negative 1, and this will be letter E. Alright, so number 6, F is 6 units to the left of 0. So 6 units to the left of 0. So once again, this is 0, left of 0. So once again, we have negative 1, 6. Once again, class, 6 units to the left of 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. So therefore, this is F, this one right here. 6 units to the left of 0. So therefore, this is F. Alright, so this is F. Alright, and then number 7, G is 7 units eastward of 0. So where's that, class? So once again, our direction, we have north, south, east, and then west. So east is on the right. So north, south, east, and then west. So east is on the right. So therefore, 0, 7 units eastward 0. So starting from 0, that would be 7 units eastward. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Therefore, this will be letter G. This one right here. Alright, and then number 8, class, we have H is 10 units to the right of G. So this is our G, and we move 10 units to the right. So we don't have enough space, class, with regards to our number line. Once again, class, in your end, class, you draw number line more than 10 because it says right there that H is 10 units to the right of G. So let me just draw again, class, this one. So this will be the continuation, class, of 10. So we don't have enough space. Alright, so let me just draw it here, class. Once again, class, in your end, you draw a number line in which the number will be 20. Because 7 plus 10, that would be 17. Okay, once again, this is 7, 8, 9, 10. We assume this will be 11. Okay, 12. So let's have this one. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Once again, class, we don't have enough space. Let me just draw it here. We don't have enough space, class. Once again, class, in your end, you draw a number line more than 10. It could be 20. So this is 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So this will be the continuation, class, with this one with regards to our number line. So once again, after 10, we have 11. We can erase the arrow, class. Once again, we can erase this one. And this will be the continuation, class. So once again, we don't have enough space, class, because it says right here, H is 10 units to the right of G. So therefore, if this is G, 10 units to the right, so 1. So once again, starting from G, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 10. So therefore, class, our answer will be on 17. And this will be point H. Once again, class, I apologize, class. We don't have enough space with regards to our number line. Alright, so once again, class, in your end, class, you draw a number line in which the numbers you have 0 to positive 20 and then 0 to negative 20. In our end, class, we don't have enough space because for number 8, it says right here that H is 10 units to the right of G. Alright, and this will be the answer, class, if we continue this one. Okay, once again, continuation of 10. This will be 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and so on. So once again, class, in your end, class, you draw a number line in which you have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so on up to 20. So I'm sure, class, you have your space. But in my end, class, I don't have enough space. So therefore, I will just write it here. This will be the continuation of 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So G, 10 units, so that would be 1, 8 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So therefore, H is on 17, positive 17. Alright, and the number 9, I is 4 units to the left of H. So this is H, 4 units to the left of H. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore, I is here. Alright, so this is I. Once again, class, I apologize, class. We don't have enough space for 1 to 20. That's why I just put this on another whiteboard. So I hope it's clear for you, class. So in your end, class, you can write the number line 1 up to 20. Alright, and then number 10, J is in the middle of A and C. Middle of A and C. So this is the middle of A and C. And this will be J. This one right here. Alright, all set. Alright, so once again, class, I apologize if we extend our number line because we don't have enough space. In your end, class, you can write 0 up to 20, positive 20, and then 0 up to negative 20. So once again, class, I hope you learned something new today. If you like this video, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Share it to your friends and to your classmates so that we can help more students. Once again, this is Teacher MJ. Have a great day, class. Goodbye for now. Bye-bye.